Good morning, everyone. It's 11, and I'm saying good morning. That should show how much we're supposed to learn. Lines and angles. Easiest chapter of by hand. The handwriting looks pretty. Okay. Lines and okay. Let's wait for just to begin by starting. One minute. Hello, everyone. Hi, hi, hello, namaste. Hi. Fine. Let us start the chapter. First, अरे 3 hours 14 minutes का average view duration 3.1 for pi. Okay, fine. Let's start. Okay. No, tell me, everyone. Okay, no one is gonna get this wrong. What is this AB called? What is AB called? What do you call ABS? AB is called line segment. Fine. Now, what is this? Array yaar. What is this called? What is this called? Tell me, everybody in the chat. Come on, come on. Come on, tell me. What is this AB called? This AB extends in. See, this is ending there. This is ending here. It's not going to extend. This one, however, is extending. No, this is extending. Here, AB is a line. Line extends infinitely in both directions. Okay? So, now, what is this called? This is called as ray. Ray extends infinitely in one direction. Right? Ray extends infinitely in one direction. Now, so let us discuss the terms that we learned. Line. Line extends infinitely in both directions. Line segment, line joining two points having a fixed length. Line having a fixed length. What do you have after line segment? Ray. What is ray? Extends infinitely in one direction. Fine, this is ray. Now, angle. Two rays starting from a point. Okay, let's say this is the point A. Okay, I'll put it in dark color. A. This is one ray. B. Okay, I'll put straight. This is one ray. This is B. This is another ray here. The measure
హాయ్ అండి క్లాస్ 9 మ్యాథ్స్ చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు
this measure, okay, this measure is called, this is an angle, okay, fine, this is an angle. Now, this measure of the angle is the measure of the angle. Okay, fine, simple. Now, Theorems. Theorem number one. See, I'm just telling like theorems, but then there's nothing like that. You have a straight line. You have a point A here. Okay? This is angle A, angle B. When a ray is standing on a straight line, the two angles formed by the ray sum up to 180 degrees. Okay, fine. Now angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degrees. Now this theorem is called linear pair. When there are two angles, it's called linear pair, because linear means straight line. Now, however, if there are more than two angles, you call it sum of angles on a straight line. Fine. Now, let's say this angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degrees. Angle A and angle B are complementary angles. If angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degrees, they are supplementary angles. Okay, simple, easy. Understood? Understood? Stood. Understood? Okay? Now, okay? I'll give you a question. Simple question, really simple. I want complicated questions that much. Okay? In the above figure, find the measure of angle A. Fine. Okay. Okay. Find the measure of angle A. Why we just discussion now? Tell me. Find the measure of angle A. Find the measure of angle A. See, two angles are lying on the straight line. So what does linear pair property? अरे linear pair property say linear pair property says that sum of any two angles on a straight line or is equal to nah 180 degrees. Now so 80 degrees plus angle A plus A is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, A is equals to 180 degrees. You take this to this side. 180 degrees minus 80 degrees. Okay, A is equals to 100 degrees. Fine, simple. A is equals to 100 degrees. Okay, leave it now. That was just for humor. Alright, now another question. Okay, prove that sum of all of these angles is equal to 360 degrees. Prove it. Prove it. Okay. Prove that all of the sum of all of these angles is equals to 360 degrees. Or I'll change it. No. Prove it. How? Okay, first things first. See, label each angle. Label so that you don't need to label them as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Fine. Okay. Got it? Fine. Now, to prove अरे यार, what is this color? Oh no. It's okay. To prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 360 degrees. How do you prove this? Basically, everything looks scattered. you can't do anything. But there is one thing you can do. You can do construction, no? So construction. Okay. Extend a line. Alright. Extend a line. Extend any one of the lines and mark the divided angles as to other angles. Alright, okay. Now I will extend this line. Okay, you extend this line also, there's no problem. I'll just extend this. Boost. Okay. Now you divided these two angles. Name them angle A, angle B. Now, did you notice these three angles are on a straight line. These four angles are on a straight line. What do you do? Okay, angle A, na? Angle A plus angle phi plus angle 4 equals to 180 degrees is our equation 1. Now, angle B plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is also equals to 180 degrees. Correct? No? Yes, it's correct. Now, let's say you combine these both equations. Fine. Angle A plus angle phi plus angle 4 plus angle B plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Now, we know this is equals to 180 degrees plus this is equals to 180 degrees, which is equals to 360 degrees. Simple. Okay. Hence proof. Alright. Okay. Fine. Okay. Finish this. Now, next question. Then we'll move on to the other parts. Okay, bye. Construction with darker color. Drawing with darker color. Okay. This is O. Okay. Four angles are in the ratio 3:5:7:2. 2:3:5. Find the measure of each angle. Fine. Okay, got it. Now, first things, let each angle be 2x, 3x, 5x, 7x. Okay. 2x, 3x, 5x. Figure not drawn to scale. 7x. Okay. Now, what do you know about angles on a straight line? Angles on a straight line sum is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Two x plus 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Seventeen x. Oh no. 8x. Okay. Please don't try points. Okay. Fine. Now 18x is equals to 180 degrees. 180 by 18, x is equals to 10. Okay, clear? Now, substitution. Two x is equals to 2 into 10, which is equals to 20 degrees. Fine. 3x is equals to 3 into 10, which is equals to 30 degrees. Fine. 5x is equals to 5 into 10, which is equals to 50 degrees. Fine. 8x is equals to 8 into 10, which is equals to 80 degrees. Okay, got it everyone? Good. Okay. Now, theorem भैया आ गया. Fine. Now, first to understand this theorem, we need to understand parallel lines. Okay. Parallel lines. Okay. Fine. Now, okay, how do you construct a parallel line? You all know this. No? First, construction you all know. Okay, they're not going to ask in the exam, I'm just telling you. See, basically, perpendicular to the perpendicular of a line is parallel to that line. Okay, perpendicular to the perpendicular of a line is parallel to that line, right? No? See, fine. Perpendicular. Fine. Perpendicular. Parallel, no? Tell me. Parallel, right? The perpendicular of a line is parallel to the line. This is the most confusing way to say something is parallel. Okay? And it's also like good to say that if you are in construction, if you have to prove it through construction, this is a really good method. Okay? How do you construct it? How do you construct a perpendicular? You draw the semicircle. Okay? You draw an arc. This is on perpendicular. From here again you draw an arc. Okay? Then this perpendicular. See, that is correct. Okay, but this is really confusing. Now, definition of parallel lines. Two lines which never meet slash they do not intersect with each other are called parallel lines. Okay, let's say L and we have M. How do you represent the idea L is parallel to M? You use these two things called two lines. L is parallel to M. Okay, this is used to represent. Now, we are going to study about transversal, which may not seem related to parallel lines at first, but then when you study into angles, if I write on the top, it's gonna become like this one. Now see, transverse. Now, let's say we have any two lines. A straight line passing through two other lines is called as a transversal. Okay, fine. When a transversal passes through 2 or 3 or 4, I don't care, it forms several angles. Okay, basically it forms many angles. Okay, this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, this is angle 5, this is angle 6, this is angle 7, and this is angle 8. Okay, now if a transversal passes through two lines and forms angles such that angle 1 is equals to angle 3 is equals to angle 5 is equals to angle 7. How are they equal? I'll tell you later. We'll do proof questions on it. Okay, I'll definitely tell you. Or such that angle 2 is equals to angle 4 is equals to angle 6 is equals to angle 8. Fine. It can prove that, let's say these are two lines L and M and this is N. Then L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. Fine. L is parallel to M. You can use that to prove. Now, we have a bunch of theorems that we are going to discuss about this. Okay. Okay. अरे यार theorem. By remember that Pythagoras theorem, like that only there is one theorem. You call it a theorem. See, now I'll use inner transversal where L and M are parallel. Here angle 1 is equals to angle 2. By what property? Everybody will know. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 by, because they are vertically opposite angles. Now, angle 2 is equals to, I'll just represent, okay, fine. This is angle 3. Angle 2 equals to angle 3 by vertically opposite angles. Now, angle 3 is equals to angle 5. By what property? Alternate interior angles. Now, what if they ask you to say or to prove that angle 1 is equals to angle 5? How will you prove it? Angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Now, you notice that these two angles lie on the same line. They are also formed by the same other line. Okay? They are also formed by this line. They are also lying on the same parallel lines. These lines are parallel to each other. That's why we are discussing such. So we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 5 by corresponding angles property. Okay? Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Now, similarly, angle 5 is equals to angle 7. Now again, angle 3 is also equals to angle 7. See, angle 5 is equals to angle 7 by vertically opposite angles property. Fine. Alternate interior angles are equal. Now, okay, angle 5 is equals to angle 7. How? By vertically opposite angles property. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, which is equal to angle 6, which is equal to angle 8. By the same properties. Okay? These are called interior angles. Angles which lie within these boundaries. These are called as exterior angles. Angles which lie on the same side of the transversal and are equal are called corresponding angles. No, sorry, just connect. No, not that. Angles, these are all interior angles of the transversal. Same side interior angles. These are all same side interior angles. Now, interior angles which lie on the opposite sides of the transversal are called as alternate interior angles. See, alternate interior angles are equal. All of them are equal if and only L is parallel to M. Now this down simple. Okay, easy, simple tha. Let's erase them. Okay. Now, problem. Okay. Fine. Alright. Okay. No. Yes. Proof question. Prove that, okay, angle x is equal to angle z and angle y is equal to angle b is 1. To prove that angle x plus angle y is equals to angle z plus angle b. See, one thing in transversal is that these two angles are supplementary. These two are also supplementary. These two are 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 supplementary. See, like angles that are adjacent to each other. Okay, they are called. They all are supplementary. See, these two angles are adjacent to each other. Okay, fine. These two angles are adjacent to each other. They sum up to 180 degrees. Fine. They are just supplementary. See, angles which are next to each other, remember that. Any angle next to each other, they sum is 180 degrees. Just remember that. Now, pro of this question, I'll give you, hey bros, I'm giving you a lot of time now. I'm giving you 15, is 15 minutes. I'll give you 10 minutes. Okay? 10 minutes. 10 minutes is a lot. Fine. 10 minutes. Okay? I'll drink water and come and do just some walk. Walk. Alright guys, your time's up. I believe what is the time? How much time did I give you? Okay, still you have time. Don't worry. You have 10, you have, I believe you have a little over 5 minutes. Okay? So don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. You have a little over 5 minutes, that is well enough for you to complete your work. Alright. Alright. Because we have a long way to go. what's the time? I believe. Okay. The time is 48 minutes. Gonna be. You have 3 more minutes to solve the problem. All right. You just have 3 more minutes. Ultrasound minutes. Trying to solve this problem. Ultrasound minutes. Right? And then we have 1 more minute. And your time is up in 3, 2, 1, go! Your time's up. Alrighty. Let's solve this problem. Now, prove that x is equal to z. Arey bhaiya. I was already talking about this. How is x equal to z? They lie on the same angle plane. So they are corresponding angles. So angle x equals to angle z. How is angle A angle B? Corresponding angles property. Simple. Now, let's say this angle is equals to angle y. X plus y, they are on a straight line. X plus y equals to 180 degrees. Now z plus b, this is also angle b. Okay, angle z plus angle b is also equals to 180 degrees. Now they both are equal. Simple. Now angle z is also equals to angle x plus b is also equals to angle y. Cut kar do 180 degrees. See, proved. Easy question. This is very easy question. Okay, don't make a mistake, some silly mistake in this. Alright, now next problem. Each problem I'll give you the time depending on how hard it is. Okay, how hard it is. G problem. This is one of your question. Okay. I'll make it much. Okay. And find the measure of angle x. Okay, this is easy question. I'll give you 8 minutes. Okay, fine. 8, 9, 8 minutes. Sorry. 8 minutes for you. Okay, 8 minutes. 8 minutes to solve this question. Okay. Numerically, you have 8 minutes. Okay, you all have exactly 8 minutes. Fine, you started at 53 minutes, so you will have till 1 hour, 1 minute. Your time started a long time ago. Oops. Okay. Okay. And fine. All of you, We'll be solving many problems on this. Fine. Okay. Okay. We'll be solving a few. Guys. Alright, you have uh, you have 2 minutes 20 seconds left. No, don't get caught. Alright, time. Alright, time. Time is just out. You just have 10 seconds left. Four, three, two, one. Take your time's up. Your time's up. Your time's up. Alright, now let's solve this question now. See, this question requires what does it require? This question requires construction. See, what do you have to construct? Here you don't understand how to find it and you eat your brain. No? Simple. I'll tell you. Okay? Okay? This is 40 degrees by alternate interior angles property. Agree with me? Yes? Yeah. Okay? Now, this is 140 degrees. Now, this is also 140 degrees. Now, now let's say this angle is 90 degrees. Fine. This is also 90 degrees. See, this question is correct. How? Because 40, 140. 140 plus 90, 230. 230 plus 130, kitna? 360. Correct. This is proved. Now, this is also 90 degrees. Okay? So, this angle is found that it is 230 degrees. Okay? Fine. Do construction when you need to. Don't do it when you do not need to. Okay? Fine. Now, next problem. Fine. Now, this is an easy question. Prove or check, okay? Check whether L is parallel to M. Okay? Simple. Very simple question. Okay? Fine. I'll give you 3 minutes. Now what is the time? Let's make it 4 and then I'll count 3 minutes from now. 3 minutes. One minute more. Thirty seconds more. अरे हाँ time's up. Time's up. Okay, let's start with proving this. Now tell me this angle is also equal to 55 degrees now. First tell me one thing. Wasn't 3 minutes too much to solve this question? Array 55, this is also 55. 55 plus 135 equals to 180 degrees? No, it's 190 degrees. This is supposed to be 125. So no, L is not parallel to M. How? No guys. No guys. No, L is not parallel to M. This is slightly tilted below so that the angle becomes 135 degrees. Slightly by like a 10-degree variation. But you were not able to see it. So this does not require 10 minutes. This just requires, this does not require 3 minutes. It just requires only 15 seconds of your brain memory. Okay. Let's move on to our theorem. Now, did you study about triangles when you were in your 7th grade? Come on, you're youth icon, bro. You studied about this this three shaped pointy figure, no? Yes. A, B, C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Proof. Draw this line. This is angle B. This is angle C. This is angle A. Straight line 180 degrees. Simple. Okay, that is your proof. Okay. Now, problems. This is our. No, this is not our last theorem. Second theorem. E, A, B, no. Angle A plus angle B equals to angle C. Okay. The exterior angle equals the sum of the two opposite angles. Fine. Understood, everybody? All bias. Understood? Got it? Is it? Chalo. Now, problem. Okay. Find the measure of this bias. Find the measure of this angle. Just find the measure of this angle. Okay. Find the measure of the angle. Simple. I'll give you 15 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, simple. Use that property 120 minus 30, 90. X is equal to 90 degrees. Katam tata bye. Next problem. Okay. These two triangles are equal, okay? Find the measure of this angle x if this is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees. 40 degrees. Okay. Fine. And okay. This one is also reduced. I'll just solve it. Come on. See. Given, let's say this is triangle 1, this is triangle 2. Triangle 1 is equal to triangle 2. I already told you this, that triangle 1 is equal to triangle 2. 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. So this will also be 60 degrees. This is 40 degrees. This will also be 40 degrees. 100 degrees you get 60 plus 40. 180 minus 100 is equal to x. X is equal to 80 degrees. Because two angles are equal. Okay. Fine. If I extend this line, this is also 80 degrees. No, corresponding. This is also corresponding. This is also corresponding. No. Right? Yeah, extend that line. This is also corresponding. So it's 80 degrees. It has the same angle, just that it is a little small. Chota bhaiya. Fine. Okay. This is what we call as the Bermuda Triangle. Yeah, wow, this looks nice. How did we construct a circle that is passing exactly to all these 3 points? Don't know. Okay. That was good. Now, problem 2. Sorry, problem 3. Problem 3 and we'll finish this. Problem 3 more, sorry, 2 more problems and we'll finish this video. Because I'm making another live video in another 10 minutes after this video. Okay. Now. Okay. And you have two triangles, both of them are equal. When okay. Fine. This measure is 60 degrees. Okay. See guys, I'm telling you. You have to use a little bit of parallelogram property here. Okay. Find the measure of this one. Parallelogram properties, okay? You guys know this, please. Please, please, please. Okay? Simple, yaar. Very simple. Really simple question. Come on, just one parallelogram. I just gave this as a refresher. But still, why, bro? Okay? Simple. Okay? 60 degrees, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. This is 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. See, this is 120 degrees. And this is 120 degrees. But you didn't ask this, so just found it. Simple, get lost. We're over. One more problem and we'll be finishing this video. See. Find the measures of x, y, and z. Simple, guys. Come on, okay. Measure of x, 180 minus 40, 140 degrees. Measure of y, first we'll find measure of z, 60, 120 degrees. Fine. 40 plus 60, 100, 180 minus 100, kitna? 80 degrees. 80 degrees, y equals to 100 degrees. Simple. Over, Katham, Tata, bye bye. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, next video. Bye.